The Extreme Dacia models have now landed at our Aldershot and Weybridge showrooms. Available on Stepway, Jogger and Duster models, the trim level features a number of specification enhancements that cement this at the top of the range. For all the latest info, be sure to visit our website smcdacia.co.uk and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All models benefit from copper brown mirror caps, wheel centres, Dacia's tailgate logo and roof bar emblems. Sandero Stepway and Jogger also feature copper brown detailing for the front fog lights, plus a striking topographical pattern on the front doors and side guards. There is also an exclusive Cedar Green paint finish. Inside, all models feature hard-wearing rubber floor mats, while copper brown highlights can be found on the front door panels and air vent surrounds. Making its debut within the trio of Extreme models is a new upholstery named Microcloud. Used across the seats and door panels, as well as on the dashboard of the Sandero Stepway and Jogger, its unique velvet-like appearance and soft feel is hard-wearing and easy to clean. These models are now available to order from our Aldershot and Weybridge showrooms, and for the latest news, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at SMC Dacia.